When you're putting a centerpiece together like this, you're going to need an instant oasis. You can buy those at most of the craft stores and put it into any kind of container after it's been soaked, and you can do your centerpiece like this. I find it easiest if I cut all of my pieces to the length that I need, and I also like to have a variety of different kinds. So I'm going to start just by putting them in. You're better off if you trim the bottom so it won't rip up the oasis, and put it in at an angle going up. I'll use all the same kind going around in a circle. And you can see how easy it is when you do it like this. Got them facing the wrong direction. Make sure you've taken all the ends off so that it sticks into the oasis nicely and doesn't rip it. That is very important. After you've gone around, you can check and see if everything is right. I don't like the way that one looks. And we'll fill this one in a little bit more. Go on to your pine. The pine is one of those that doesn't take up as much room, so you need to spread it out a little bit further. But it looks good when you've got the variety of greens in there. Now the next one I'm using is a cedar, and instead of putting it along the side, I put it in the top so that it will start filling in the top of it. Don't worry if you think there's holes in between, because you're going to be putting all of your decorations in those places. When you get to the top, the cedar is one of the fluffier ones, so it's easy to use, and it does a lot better job of filling in. So do another row of that. When you get to the top, then you need to stand them up straight. When it looks like it's fairly filled in, you can start, I see a little place here, you can start putting your decorations in. Now this one is going to be a white sparkly one. So get all the greens out of the way so you can see what's going on. I have small poinsettias, sparkly sticks, different sparkly sticks, and the little balls that I put into groups. It's best if you start with the larger ones first. And it's also a good idea to use odd numbers. These are the biggest of the sparklies, so we're going to stick those up on.
Show them closer. Okay.
The sparkly ones are going to go on top. All right, I'm going to put the balls in next. These have all been wrapped with picks. That's why it looks like you're going to be able to put an arrangement together in 5 minutes. This is an hour's worth of wrapping everything so that it does go in this quickly. Wherever there's a space at this point, put something. It looks like there's a lot of ornaments, but in order to get the professional look, you're going to have to put a lot of things in. And we have a few more sparklies. Okay, that's it.